Good morning and welcome to Financial Fridays. Today we will be talking about some of the tools for investing. First, we will be covering Robinhood Stock Exchange. This is a mobile-only app that allows you to use your phone as a powerful investment tool. I chose this app because it has no transaction fees and no monthly subscription fee for the basic model. Once you have registered everything for the app and go to log into it, it'll ask you for a PIN. Now, I highly suggest to set up two-factor authentication for this app so that it'll be more secure, even though I myself do not have it set up on my phone. Alright, the PIN's entered and we're in. As you can see here, there's been a lot of ups and downs with my overall total balance for this account. I will touch on that a bit later. Right now, I'm going to give you an overview of this app via my account. This is the account section of the app. It'll show how much of your portfolio is in cash and how much is in stocks. We'll show you your buying power as well as the amount you can withdraw to your bank. Down at the bottom, you have access to see your pending transactions, withdrawal funds, and tax documents. Robinhood Instant is a feature for their monthly paid version. It allows you to get money when you do a withdrawal from the bank instantly instead of having to wait 3 to 5 business days. The banking tab is where you go to link your bank account to this program. It's the only way to add money or withdraw money from Robinhood. You can choose a preset amount to deposit or you can enter in your own. You can also set up if it's a one-time deposit or if it's a scheduled deposit into the account. Now, for setting up your bank account in this application, they have a number of already known banks as seen on the screen. However, if your bank is not listed here, like mine, then you can tap More Banks and type in the bank. If it still does not show the bank, have no fear. You can tap the I don't see my bank words on the screen and it'll take you through the steps of getting your bank linked. It is pretty easy to set up, and if you ever have a question on what they are asking, then tap the I inside the circle at the top right of the screen and a help box will pop up. Now, the History tab will show your transaction history. Simple, nothing over the top, self-explanatory. But it does give you a nice clutter-free display. Settings is also self-explanatory. This is where you'll need to come to set up your two-factor authentication, change notification settings, or update any of the profile information. I recommend setting a goal when you start investing so that you can have something to shoot for and not wander aimlessly. Robinhood Gold is really good for the people who want to do a lot of trading and split-second buying and selling, because it allows you to have more buying power and get money from your sales faster instead of having to wait 3 to 5 days. And instead of a per transaction fee, it's a monthly fee that is around what others charge as their per transaction fee. I myself, however, am not that kind of investor, so I'm still on the basic free version. On the home page of this app, you will have notifications. They will have short blurbs of some news and you can tap on them for more details. Or you can swipe left or right to mark the announcements as read. The home screen also shows different stocks you are invested in, their total worth, and how many of that stock you have, along with a small chart of its fluctuations. Below the ones you are invested in are the ones you have chosen to follow, and it has a similar type of view. You can even choose how you want to sort both of these views. When you click on a desired stock that you own or that you are looking at, it'll bring you to a page where it gives you a breakdown of the major details of the stock. Also, it gives you your order history of the stock, and below your dividend payouts for holding on to the stock, if that stock has dividend. As you see, Oxford Lane has been dropping in price and then popping back up. This is due to the fact that some investment analysts have said that they do not think that Oxford can keep up their growth and good fortune. So a lot of people got scared and sold the stock, causing it to fall a lot. I've been using this time to buy the newly lowered stock when I can, so that it lessens my loss margin, and I believe it'll bounce back. So far, my total loss in stock is listed as $80. Now I have made a total of $176.20 off of dividends just from holding on to the stock through their ups and downs. So this is actually a gain of $96, not a loss. Do not let the red scare you on this app. While it means loss, the color only tracks the daily profits, not the stocks as a whole. For instance, Nvidia is showing red for me even though I'm up $55 from the time I bought the stock. When going to buy a stock, it'll show you the current market value of the stock. And when you enter how much you want to buy of that stock, it'll give you an estimate of how much that'll cost you depending on the current market value. Now I like to set up limit buys. For these you can enter a price that you want to buy the stock at. And when that stock hits that price, it'll buy it for you without you having to do anything extra. Now you can set these to last until the end of business day or until the price is met. It'll reserve that lump of money so that you do not spend it on anything else. This order can be canceled at any time without any negative effect. For sales you can do the same thing. Set a price on which you want to sell the stock for, and it'll sell the stock as soon as the stock meets that price. For sales, there is also a stop-loss order type. This allows you to set a price below your stock's current value, and once the stock reaches that number, then it sells the stock without you having to do anything extra. This will help you if you're in a high-risk investment scenario and you're scared that your stock will plummet suddenly. At the top of the page, you will find a search button in the form of a spyglass. This will let you type in the stock symbol or the name of the company you are looking to invest in. At the top right, there is a plus symbol that you can tap if you want to follow that stock or keep an eye on it. Now you can tap and hold on the graph to take a look at dips and see what date time they occurred. This will help you tie it to any events or any research that you're doing on the stock. For Robinhood, I'm going to include 2 links below. One will take you to the referral version of the app, where you and I each get a random stock for free. There is a very rare chance that it could be a stock for one of the big players in the market, i.e. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, something like that. But it'll more than likely be a stock that is worth about $3 to $10. Please use this link if you like the channel and wish to support me. If you just want to download the app without getting the free stock for both of us, then I will have the regular link there as well. Alright, so maybe you want to deal with international stocks or use a more well-known firm that has a website so you can use it on your computer. In that instance, I suggest Merrill Edge. It has some of the best rates that I have found for a normal site. You only have to pay a $7 fee per transaction. Now when you are making trades, you have to calculate those fees into the profitability of the stock that you are buying or selling. Thankfully, it's a flat fee, so you're not at a loss when going for more pricey stocks. This site also has a mobile version as well in case you still want to use your phone. This also has the advantage of being a bank and an investing platform all in one. You can have the profits from your stocks go into a Roth IRA if you wish. The $600 sign-on bonus will not be reachable by most of my audience, but there may be some viewers out there that can open an account with $200,000 in it, so don't get too gung-ho when seeing that $600 sign-on bonus. Since they are a bank, they have a few different types of accounts that you can set up with them. If nothing else, this is a good site to set up an IRA on. But this is still a good investment firm. I just feel like Robinhood is better all around for just stocks, unless you are investing in foreign stocks, that is. To set up an account, you click the red button that says Get Started. It'll then take you to the types of accounts that you want to set up. Since we are doing a stock-only account, it'll be an individual cash management account. After that, we'll hit Continue. You'll walk through all the steps that pop up on the screen, then you will choose how much money you want to deposit after you're done. This has covered two of the best stock platforms I have found in my many hours of research. As you saw, I'm not rich. I'm just an average person with an average income trying to set up his future. I've done many hours of research, and I'm hoping to make this process quicker for you all than it was for me. Please check out the descriptions below for the links to these platforms and my referral code for Robinhood. If you like this video, please click the bell to the right of the subscribe button and share with your friends and family, or a complete stranger that you think might like it. This has been Financial Fridays with Kyle. I hope you have a fantastic day.